Conversations 2018 really exceeded my expectations. What I liked most about the event was the single track learning, the quality speakers, learning how innovative ManyChat is, and launching all of these new updates was really exciting. What surprised me is that there are so many possibilities for businesses of all types, from lawyers to real estate professionals to restaurants and hospitality. But really anybody could have a messenger conversation, even if it was just an individual trying to network with another individual. There's so many possibilities. I learned that there is this secret growing cabal of really smart marketers that are using messenger and chat feature functionality to connect and really create very compelling conversations with constituents and consumers. So I think this is the next phase for marketers to really look at for their marketing and communications for their business. I would absolutely come next year because I would expect that the topics would be even more evolved and there would be a lot of new exciting things. What I would tell somebody that wanted to get into this space, I would say buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride.